Have you ever wondered what it's like to dive into the world of flower gardening as a beginner? Well, today we are about to unveil the enchanting benefits that await you. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all things green and beautiful. In today's video journey, we are going to explore the captivating world of flower gardening and why it's the perfect choice for those just starting out. So grab your gardening gloves and let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the therapeutic bliss of flower gardening. You are surrounded by vibrant colors, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soothing scents of blossom. It's not just gardening, it's form of meditation that can reduce stress and promote mental well-being. The act of nurturing these beautiful blooms can provide a sense of accomplishment and tranquility that truly magical. Now, have you ever felt disconnected from nature in today's fast-paced world? Flower gardening is your bridge back to the natural world. It reconnects you with the rhythm of the seasons, teaches you patience, and encourages you to embrace the beauty of the outdoors. It's not just about growing flowers, it's about growing your connection with the earth. One of the most exciting aspects of flower gardening is the boundless creativity it offers. You are the artist, and your garden is your canvas. Choose from a vast palette of colors, shapes, and sizes to create your unique masterpiece. It's like painting with living, breathing colors, and your imagination is the only limit. Now, let's talk about learning and personal growth. Flower gardening is an ongoing journey of discovery. It teaches you about the needs of different plants, the importance of patience, and the joy of watching something beautiful bloom from your efforts. It's a continuous process that keeps you engaged and constantly learning. Last but not least, flower gardening provides a wonderful opportunity for community and sharing. Whether it's swapping tips with fellow gardeners, sharing your blooms with neighbors, or participating in local gardening clubs, it's a hobby that brings people together. You shall find that the love for flowers transcends borders and backgrounds, creating bonds that can last a lifetime. So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of flower gardening for beginners. From finding peace and tranquility to reconnecting with nature, nurturing creativity and fostering a sense of community, this hobby has it all. Thanks for watching, and until next time, get out there, plant some seeds, and let the magic of flowers transform your world. Don't forget to hit that like button subscribe, and share your own flower gardening experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!